Hello, my name is Bill Rohr, and I am the Global Partner Manager at Claroty, a leading OT cybersecurity company. We are proud to be a global gold technology partner for Rockwell Automation. At Claroty, we collaborate closely with Rockwell Automation to support their OT automation clients in keeping their businesses secure and operational. Our primary goal is to safeguard and monitor their assets across their network. To achieve this, we employ cost-cutting techniques such as modernizing OT networks and implementing asset management and visibility software solutions on the OT network. By working together with Rockwell, we can deliver comprehensive packages that include our software technologies, their lifecycle services, including their network operating center to provide managed OT cybersecurity solutions. Our partnership addresses a critical need in today's automation industry, protecting their valuable assets, business operations, and sensitive data from malicious actors. By combining our expertise, we ensure our clients have the best possible protection against potential threats. Together, Claroty and Rockwell Automation are committed to helping businesses thrive securely in an increasingly interconnected world. Thank you.